Alright, so Steven here. Gonna cut some more weight out of this old white truck. And we're gonna do the hood. We've got a 2.5 inch cowl hood. I am not sure the brand name. There's the info on it if anybody cares. I don't really personally, but what I'm gonna do is basically work on the skeleton of this hood. I've already trimmed here and here. This is for supercharger clearance. This is for the fuse box clearance. I've moved the fuse box back 8 inches, I believe it was. The PCM's moved back 4 inches, so everything is really compressed to the firewall pretty well. Trying to cut as much weight off the front of this thing as I can, get as much like weight transfer or whatever. So hoping to get, you know, some weight out of this thing. It's exactly like 55 pounds. I was like holding it in my hands and weighed myself and subtracted and did all that. So I got 55 pounds out of it, and we'll see what we get. So I'm gonna get this thing marked out. As you can see, I'm kind of already getting the Sharpie marks around it how I like it. I'm gonna cut out this little vent section like differently. It'll be big, it'll be cool. So yeah, we'll get to it and be right back and show you what I got. It's a brand new day, and I think it's probably been 2 days since I filmed, but I got all this cut out on this hood. I think altogether between the cutting and the grinding is like 12 pounds. It was 55 pounds when I started, so pretty much 20%, a little over 20% of the mass has been reduced from the hood. For a steel hood, I mean 44 pounds, 43 pounds, whatever it is. It's not too heavy for as big as it is. So it's getting there. I'm gonna do some black on the bottom there. Just gonna shoot some black satin paint on it, and I redid those vents. I've got a lot more vented area there than I used to have. They used to just have those individual little small slots, and yeah, so it's looking pretty cool. Just wanted to give an update on it. And oh yeah, also got about a pound and a half out of the cowl. There was like that big rubber covered vent thing there, so cut that little section right out of the cowl there. And yeah, so it all adds up, you know. Pound and a half here, 12 there, and turns into something. So yeah, I'll get this thing shot in black and give you the final look at it. And then up next is gonna be the fenders. Thinking I can get maybe 6 to 8. Six would be good out of each one. 6 pounds out of that fender, 5 or 6 out of that one. So maybe my total will put me around 25 pounds. I could gain 2.5 horsepower and be about as good as that 25 pounds. But it'll be nice having that 25 pounds off the front. That way when the supercharger and the intercooler go up there, it's not excruciatingly nose heavy. Maybe it makes up for the intercooler. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you want to see next. I'll get back with you soon.
Tell me, why do I still feel so alone?